Hey, I'm Megan.
Hi, I'm Hunter, and today we're going to be making scrambled eggs.
So to make the scrambled eggs, we're going to do 2 eggs, and then you want to use a teaspoon of butter, an eighth cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of cheese because we're adding cheese stars to spice it up.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so here we're going to be cracking our eggs and putting them into the pan, or the bowl I should say. And then once it's in there, we're going to add our milk, our eighth cup of milk, and a little bit of salt and pepper, just a pinch of each. And then we're going to whisk that until they're all about the same. It's one good consistent mixture. And so you want all the egg whites and the milk and the yolk mixed in really well. And then once that's mixed in, you just want to put your cheese in there and make sure that's mixed in well. But you want to wait until you have a consistent solution created. Here we have our pan on medium heat, and what we gotta do is we gotta put some butter on it and let that melt. And then as that melts, we'll just dump our solution of scrambled eggs onto the pan. So we have the cheese in there, that looks good. And then you just want to let this kind of sit for a little while. And then once you see that the bottom is starting to mold into the scrambled egg, you'll just kind of do a shifting motion with the eggs to keep it fluffy. So here we can see that the egg is starting to form on the bottom. And so you just take it and you're just pushing and flipping the egg around so that we're not burning the already cooked egg and we're letting the undercooked parts of the egg reach the frying pan and get hot. And here we are with our finished eggs, and we're ready to take them off of the frying pan and feast. And so here we have our final product. And why don't you tell us one more time how we made these?
So to make this, we cracked 2 farm fresh eggs into a bowl, and we added an eighth cup of milk and a 1/3 cup of cheese, and then we added a dash of salt and pepper, put that into the pan after adding a teaspoon of butter, and then we just let that cook for about 4 minutes, lightly touching the eggs, mixing them, and curling the edges so that they come out light and fluffy, just like you want them, and you come out with this beautiful dish. And you can garnish it with a little parsley or salt and pepper. You can eat it with a side of salsa or ketchup. You can add Old Bay, whatever you want to spice it up.
Yes. Cheese is my personal favorite when it comes to scrambled eggs. It just, something with cheese and eggs. I mean, you eat it on burritos. You can eat it alongside with some bacon. You can't go wrong with cheese and eggs. And so I really hope that you like this dish. I hope that you found this video helpful. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see us cook next, leave a comment in the below.
Thank you, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.